Hello everyone, I Sonia Batra, faculty from BAJMC department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on event management trends that aims to change the industry in India. The event management industry in India is constantly changing and evolving. Event professionals are implementing the technologies gradually and constantly. Event industry have been able to achieve a competent advantage over those who aren't implementing the technology. Now let us discuss some ways through which we can change the trend in event management. First of all is smartphones. Smartphones, the present and the future. No one could have guessed that smartphone could have such a big impact on our lives. Smartphones have been there for us in every area of business and will be continuing to do so in the future. It is expected that smartphone users would be 6.1 billion by 2020 against 2.6 billion from 2014. The companies and the event organizer should stop living in the past and start believing in the future and present aspects of the smartphones. They need to embrace the various ways by which people can interact with each other. In fact, smartphones are keeping more people connected than ever, as many applications allow everyone to get connected. Second, event apps, the key for the business. With every passing day's number of apps are increasing in tremendous rate and has been the key for the most of the businesses. The quality and the services that the apps are giving have been improved over the years. Event industry is not expecting it to be. The event apps are making things more easier, quicker and more interactable for the event industry. The increase in the engagement of interactive mobile events apps has been emerging as one of the biggest event trends. Third, live streaming, the way to success. YouTube's and other streaming sites have been changed the face of the online media industry. The live streaming of the event was previously criticized due to the risk of ticket sales, but the scenario has been changed due to disastrous improvements it made in reaching the people. Online conversation, general awareness made through the social media are only helping businesses to become more successful. Snapchat, which was previously used only by the family and close friends to share the photographs, videos, are marketing strategy for many business houses, including the event industry as well. So I hope you have understand the lecture on the emerging trends in the event industry in India today. Thank you.